they got me, boys. Says I gotta go back to Mexico and get a green card, cause I can't prove I'm real.
This isn't looking good. They're gonna take me over the border. I'm a citizen. Me too.
We escaped the van, but I think we're in Mexico now. And my buddy Jose here says he know a way back, though.
Hola. Jose showed me a secret tunnel. Not sure what all these white bags are, but I think I swallowed one on accident.
It's been 3 hours and I don't know where the fuck I am. I had to eat Jose, but he gave me his blessing. Oh, I think we made it back, but I'm gonna need a ride. I've been walking for hours, but nobody wants to stop. They just keep driving by screaming, not sure what that's about. Good news, I just ran into Jose's family and they gave me a lift. They were also hungry, so I gave them some leftovers I had from the cave.